You clicked on this video because you want to make at least $1,000 per month. And the easiest way to do that, my friend, is by selling digital products. I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump straight into the practical part. If we open this listing, you'll notice that this children's digital product has earned the best seller badge, which means it has generated a lot of sales over the past 6 months. And if you look a little higher, you'll see that it's ranked around number 15 in shopping, which tells us that people are actively buying this product right now. This product is called the Ice Cream Truck Sorting Game. To understand exactly how it works, let's take a look at the product images. You'll see that it consists of several printable pages. The first page contains an empty ice cream truck, while the second page includes 8 different ice cream pieces. The remaining pages contain different ice cream patterns that the child needs to match. The child first cuts out the ice cream truck from the first page and the 8 ice cream pieces from the second page. Then they look at the pattern cards and begin recreating them. For example, the first pattern contains 4 ice cream pieces arranged in a specific order. The child cuts out the matching ice cream pieces and places them onto the ice cream truck in the exact same arrangement. This simple activity helps improve concentration, pattern recognition, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination. That's why it's very important to clearly explain the educational benefits of your activity in your Etsy listing, because that's exactly what convinces parents to purchase your product. If we watch this product video, you'll immediately understand how the activity works. After the child cuts out both the ice cream truck and the individual ice cream pieces, they simply look at one of the pattern cards and recreate it by placing the ice cream pieces onto the truck in the same order. As you can see, the child carefully studies the pattern and then arranges the ice cream pieces to match it perfectly. I hope the idea behind this activity is now completely clear, because in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to design it professionally from start to finish. But before we move on to the design process, I want to tell you something important. If you really want to dive into the world of digital products and start selling on Etsy and Amazon, then you need to check out my bundle of 95 digital products created specifically for Etsy and Amazon sellers. It includes 80 complete books, and each book contains around 30 ready-to-sell pages that you can start listing on Etsy and Amazon almost immediately. And here's the best part, you're not just getting PDF files. You'll also receive fully editable Canva files, making it incredibly easy to customize every single page. You can edit the designs, combine different pages together, and create completely new products that are unique to your own store. My team and I have over 7 years of experience selling digital products on Etsy and Amazon, and we've packed that experience into this collection of 80 books. If you use these products the right way, customize them, combine them, and truly make them your own before selling them, I'm confident you can build a business that generates thousands of dollars every month. Even better, we continuously update the bundle with new products every month. We've recently added 15 brand new Etsy-focused products, and I've made them hidden products so they're available exclusively to people who purchase the bundle. Now, let's jump directly into Canva and start designing this product from scratch. First, my friends, I'm going to open the free version of ChatGPT and ask it to design an ice cream truck for me. I used the exact prompt you're seeing on the screen, and as you can see, the result turned out amazing. Then I asked ChatGPT to make the illustration more appealing for young children, and it transformed it into this cute, kid-friendly version. So, if you want to create an ice cream truck just like this one, simply use the exact prompt that's displayed on your screen, and you should get a very similar result. Now that we've finished designing the ice cream truck, let's jump straight into Canva and start creating the rest of our digital product. First, I'll create a new design with dimensions of 11 by 8.5 inches. Then, I'll upload the ice cream truck we generated with ChatGPT and place it on the first page like this. And just like that, our first page is complete. Now let's move on to creating the second page. This second page will contain all of the individual ice cream pieces. Since I want to place 8 different ice creams on this page, I'll start by keeping everything clean and organized. I'll go to Shapes, add this square, and then apply a dashed border to it. After that, I'll reduce the border thickness to 2 so it looks nice and clean. Then I'll change the square's fill color to white, giving us the perfect space to place each ice cream illustration inside. Since we need 8 different ice cream pieces, I'll simply duplicate this square 8 times and arrange them evenly across the page like this. Once everything is lined up neatly, we're ready to add the ice cream illustrations. All I have to do now is go to the Elements tab and search for ice cream. You'll find tons of different ice cream graphics to choose from. For example, I'm going to use this first one and resize it so it's proportional to the ice cream truck we designed earlier. Make sure each ice cream fits nicely inside the empty spaces on the truck so children can easily cut them out and place them in the correct positions during the activity. After that, simply repeat the same process until you've added all 8 ice cream designs that you like. It's really that simple. Just choose the ice cream graphics that best match your style and place each one inside its square like this. And with that, we've successfully finished designing the second page, which contains all of the ice cream pieces for our activity. By the way, before we move on to designing the remaining pages, I want to tell you about something that many people have been asking me about. I have a private Telegram channel exclusively for people who purchased my bundle of 80 books that we talked about at the beginning of this video. Every digital product we design together in these tutorials gets uploaded directly to that private Telegram channel. That means members don't have to recreate everything from scratch. They can instantly access the finished design with just one click. Whenever I share a link inside the Telegram channel, it takes you directly to the Canva design. From there, you can quickly customize it, make it your own, and upload it to your Etsy store in just a few minutes. So you're not only paying for access to the 95 product bundle, but you're also getting a lot of extra benefits that make the entire design process much faster and easier. If you'd like to get access, click the link in the description below this video or in the pinned comment. There's also a big discount available right now, so don't miss it. Now let's jump straight into designing the third page, which will contain the ice cream patterns. This part is actually very simple. I want to place 4 different patterns on each page, so all I have to do is go back to one of the squares we created on the ice cream page, duplicate it, and enlarge it like this. Then I'll duplicate it until I have 4 large boxes and arrange them neatly across the page. Make each box slightly rectangular so it fits the pattern cards much better. Canva also has plenty of cute ice cream themed graphics that you can use to decorate these pattern cards. For example, I'm going to add this adorable illustration above each rectangle and change its color so it matches the rest of the design. This is simply decorative, but it makes the activity look much more attractive, colorful, and fun for kids. Feel free to browse through Canva's Elements library because you'll find lots of decorations that fit this ice cream theme perfectly. Now let's create the actual patterns. It's incredibly easy. I'll go back to the second page that contains all of the ice cream pieces and randomly copy 4 different ice creams. Then I'll return to the third page and place them inside the first rectangle like this. After that, I'll repeat the exact same process by going back to the ice cream page, selecting another random set of 4 ice creams and placing them inside the second rectangle just like this. You can continue creating the remaining pattern cards the same way until you've filled the entire page. At this point, the child's activity is very straightforward. They'll first cut out the ice cream truck from the first page, then cut out the individual ice cream pieces from the second page. After that, they'll choose one of the pattern cards, for example, the very first pattern, and recreate it by placing the ice cream pieces onto the truck in the exact same order. This fun activity helps children practice cutting skills, improve fine motor control, strengthen hand-eye coordination, and train their brains to recognize and recreate patterns. I really hope you found today's tutorial helpful and learned something valuable. Don't forget to check out the first pinned comment for all the important links and resources I mentioned throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.